Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up VS Code for C++. Okay, so first of all head over to browser and search for MinGW. Okay, and click on this sourceforge.net website link and click on it and download this one. Okay, click on download. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it, click on install. So leave the installation directory as default. Okay, click on continue. It's gonna take little time. Okay, done. Next on continue. Okay, here we gonna select this one base G++. Okay, objective GCC, my base, and this one also developer toolkit. And now where installation and apply changes. Okay, click on apply. It's gonna take little time. Okay, so we have downloaded the packages. Okay, now I'm gonna use VS Code here. So first of all we need an extension. Okay, this one C or C++ by Microsoft. Okay, this one, install it, and I'm gonna create a new C++ file. Okay, let's say test.cpp. okay, so I have this one, test.cpp. we need to set up the environment variable. Okay, just search for environment. Okay, and here click on environment variables, and here go to path, click on edit first. Okay, so we can see if we have MinGW or not. So here we don't have MinGW. Okay, click on new and type. Okay, click on OK. Now again OK and OK. So let's write some code. Okay, now click here and run code. Okay, I'm gonna close VS Code. Okay, then I will reopen the code editor. So I have just restarted the VS Code, and I'm gonna click here again and click on run code. Okay, so our code is running. So we have set it up the C++ compiler. Thank you for watching the video.